Oh shit. We going down.
Oh, it do kind of feel like it's going fast. Oh, I ain't with that. I'm scared. Yo, I just got so scared. Oh God.
It's slow.
It's not slow.
Why I feel like we're going slower down?
Right?
Like,
I thought it
going
was,
up and look like, look, see, going up, the shit going
go
fast. Boy,
Nah, I'll take this.
Oh shit. Oh
shit. Well, I gotta take pictures of my mom.
I feel like
I'm gonna put this video on
I feel
Facebook.
like I'm in an airplane, almost like.
Damn, too bad you can't put this shit on Instagram. Once it's on 10 seconds. Let's get it.
Right?
15 seconds or
This
whatever.
shit, yeah. Gotta keep nothing.
Oh, we gotta take another one because that one we was talking.
This shit is real. Actually, it's too cold to go in the water, but we can only do this. We can't do the fucking other shit anymore.
This is beautiful to me. I love stuff like this.
Yo, I feel more hey. I feel more comfortable coming down than up. I don't know why.
Because when you go up, it has to speed up to get you uphill. Downhill.
Oh, right.
Downhill, they cut the brakes a little.
Yes. I love this. This makes me want to move from where I'm at and go live somewhere.
Where do you live?
New York. I want to move somewhere with this beautiful viewing and shit.
Nah, you saw that bear earlier? Fuck that.
Oh, you could drop your stuff in the trash, but people miss it. A lot of people
So,
miss
what side of North do you live? Is it south?
it. South. Yeah.
Oh, damn.
North.
I live in the North Fork.
Oh, yeah, because you
All
go
the
to
way back.
Behringer, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
I live
yeah,
up. I live up there by the borderline of Bloomfield. Like up
Well,
Bloomfield
North Tech
Ave.
is in the North Public School, so you can live in the North. I know people that live in Orange and go to
So
North Tech.
how is the south? Because I heard people were too far of the
Depends on
south.
what part of South you're
Because at
on.
one time I went to a side of the south, no one
What's
else. I feel like
happening?
so scary because there's
Yeah,
like
no,
a
it
lot of
is.
abandoned
No,
houses.
it is. It is. But certain parts, like, cause some parts are really like nice, like especially like hillside, like right, like it's like north
yeah,
borderline
hillside,
hillside.
oh, yeah.
Yeah, so it depends on where you at. So you do have some hood spots that you should be careful.
Okay, we gotta start going fast again.
Yeah, but remember, you could live in you could stay in the lodge. They probably come here multiple days if you stay in the lodge. But you never know. It could be good.
Oh, I was right here when that man was waving at me. He was up in the
He was like around here when he started getting fat.
Yes. And then
By that guy right there, yeah.
Do that roller coaster shit.
So are you
man.
gonna get in the water slide? Nah.
I am.
It's too cold for that shit right now.
I probably get wet just because I came here to get wet. Even
I'm
though
gonna
it's
get,
cold,
I'm gonna get
but I might not get drinks because I don't want to get
yeah.
sick of some shit.
Turn up. Look at the roller coaster. It's fucking awesome. Hey, racetrack. Oh, I want to try that shit. Yo, this shit goes straight.
Yo, when I
down.
seen, I'm like, yo, whoever
That's
get on that,
crazy.
you see how steep
You
it
wanna
is?
go in the,
You can like fly
Yeah,
up.
yeah. Where this is legit. Just like push your feet
Yes.
up and jump off.
For real.
Of the roller coaster?
No, off this shit. The water slide.
Oh,
Like, see how steep
no,
it is?
it's a net over it though.
No, it's
No,
not.
the roller coaster.
No,
I'm talking
not
about
that
the water
slide.
slide.
It's the green
Look,
slide.
the
You don't
green
see it when you was on a little roller
Oh,
coaster
look, when we
thing?
get down here.
It's steep. You don't want to get on that shit. You're gonna tip the
You
fuck
going?
off.
Yeah, I'm probably getting
I'm scared.
Y'all can watch me from here.
Oh my god.
We'll
I'm
record
afraid
you
for
and just hope some shit.
Right?
Pray for me, y'all.
It seemed like it'd be fun. Sometimes I wish I wasn't a punk because I would really love to.
I'm a risk taker, that's my problem.
See, I'm not.
And I don't give a fuck. If
I'm
I
not.
be like, fuck it.
Hey, people.
I'm
Yeah,
like,
why is all
nah,
this shit's empty?
I swear, I just-
Oh, look, let's get this.
Oh, yeah, that, right?
Go.
They really got a blow up.
What the fuck? It's a blow up
Bro.
doll. Bras and a blow up doll. What the fuck?
So, oh, you got it?
Oh, look at that. Oh, that's what we just got into.
Oh.
Disgusting.
What is that one?
What's that black shit, bro?
What black stuff?
That shit?
The brown.
It's them props. Oh, that's something, probably the barrier, so it won't go nowhere.
I'm getting on that too.
Hey,
If
turn
it's
up.
not
Let's
a
get on
scary
this shit.
slide, I'll get on.
That shit come from the top, so you go all the way down. Wait, how deep is the pool?
I'm claustrophobic. I can't get in that. Or claustrophobic. I would really panic.
Turn up.
And
We
it's
out
dark. Now,
here.
if it was colorful,
Mountain
I'll
Creek,
be okay.
everybody. We out
But
here.
it's too dark
It's
inside.
colorful one.
Hey.
Not that. I've been had a panic attack.
Alright, we got this. Got the touchdown.
But did you see that thing, like a tree with like clothes? What?
I think people just do it just to do it.
Oh yeah, I forgot on this.
Like,
I forgot on this. I forgot on this. You could take pictures while it's recording. Like you could take instant shots while it's recording.
Really?
While it's still recording.
iPhone 5. That's why.
Well, on the Galaxy S3 and S4 you can do it too.
Oh yeah, I need to upgrade. Well, I might upgrade coming up, so it's cool. I could wait out.
My feet hurt.
Alright, we out here. We out here. Cheers.